Hello, I'm Jason Valiante, the CEO of Valiante Tax and Financial Management. COVID-19 hit and the economy went to a screeching halt. The IRS stepped in and decided this was a national emergency. Certain tax return filings have been extended. I'm making this video to tell you who qualifies for that extension, what was not postponed, should I or should I not file, we're going to answer that question, and the estimated tax trap you may fall into. Who qualifies? First, you must have a tax return due on April 15th to qualify. That's going to be one of three. That's going to be 1, a 1040 individual income tax return, 2, a trust or estate filing form 1041, 3, a C corporation filing form 1120. You must also, the second qualification, have a tax payment due or an estimated tax payment due on April 15th to qualify. Jason, what if I'm a partnership or an S corporation? You danced around those and didn't answer it. Very good question. The original FAQ did not include those because they're due on March 15th. If you file a partnership or an S corporation and you file on a fiscal year, which is not a calendar year, January to December 31st, you're on a fiscal year, and the return falls due on April 15th, you qualify for the automatic extension. Now, most importantly, what does not qualify? You need to know this. Are your federal payroll tax payments, your federal payroll tax deposits, your information returns form 941. Those payments were due April 15th. That information return was due April 30th. There are some programs to extend some of the payroll tax payments for a couple of years. You need to look into those, but also be very careful because you're kicking the can down the road again. Okay, if you haven't filed those, call us, get with us. We can still get your payroll tax returns filed for you timely. If you meet these requirements, you don't need to file an extension. It is automatically extended to July 15th. There are 3 more things that go along with those that were extended: your IRA contributions, health savings account contributions, or employer qualified retirement plan contributions such as a SEP IRA. If you file a tax return and are getting money back, this is the question: should I or should I not file? Don't wait. The IRS is holding your money and not paying you interest. If you haven't filed your 19 return, call us, get with us. We'll get that tax return filed for you. If you owe and you have the money sitting aside, you're self-employed and you're used to this, file your tax return. It's okay to file before the 15th. You can make your payment on July 13th. Log in on July 13th. Let your money sitting in a savings account continue to build interest. Log in on July 13th and make that tax payment. It's my birthday and let's celebrate that you made some interest. If you file on a Form Schedule C and make estimated tax payments, this is the estimated trap you may fall into. It's very important, so listen to me. You may owe for your tax return for federal and state to close it out. Boom, you've got 2 payments due right there. First quarter estimated tax payments are due for federal and state. Now you're at 4 tax payments. Well, your second quarter payments are due too. Boom, boom. Now you got 6 tax payments due that were all postponed. That's a lot of tax payments, can be potentially deadly with the way the economy is right now. If you work with a tax professional that does not help you monitor your estimated tax payments closely, call me, get with me. We love walking alongside our clients throughout the year, staying in communication with them, projecting where we think they're at and adjusting their payments or increasing them depending on what they're making. This too shall pass. Remember that. God bless.